How to clean a printhead. Today, we'll be showing you how to clean the printheads in your printer. This video will show you step-by-step instructions on how to clean clogged printhead nozzles. If you're experiencing print jobs with broken lines, streaks, smears, or missing colors, your ink cartridge may be clogged. This can happen even if the cartridge is still full or new. Printheads usually clog due to infrequent cartridge use. Remember, inkjet cartridges can dry out over time. To fix this, use the printer utility software on your computer or the control panel on your printer to run a printhead cleaning cycle. Keep in mind that the printhead cleaning cycle uses a lot of ink. This is not recommended if your printer cartridges are running low on ink, as this method might damage your printer. If running a printhead cleaning cycle doesn't work, we recommend cleaning it manually instead. It is important to note that printheads might be situated on the cartridge or within the printer. Therefore, cleaning them will slightly vary from printer to printer. There are box-shaped cartridges with integrated printheads, such as HPs, and thin cartridges without integrated printheads. For example, most Epson printer inks. Their printheads are integrated into the printer, but they can be detached. For ink bottles, running a printhead cycle will do. Now that we have a better understanding of why printheads get clogged, what they look like, and where to find them, we're going to share 2 helpful tips on how to unclog cartridges manually. Tip 1. The first tip will work on cartridges with an integrated printhead. Before we begin, prepare a stack of damp and dry paper towels and fold them into quarters. Make sure to put on a pair of rubber gloves to protect your hands from potential ink stains. Next, ensure that the tape covering the printhead has been removed. Now, let's get started. Step 1. Place your ink cartridge face down on the warm, damp paper towel. Then, tap it several times to remove clogged ink until it gently leaks onto the damp paper towel. Step 2. For 2 to 3 minutes, sit the cartridge against a dry paper towel with the printhead pressing down. Step 3. Slide the ink cartridge onto the dry paper towel gently. Do it several times until you see clear bars of color. Step 4. Install the ink cartridge into the printer and run a print test to see if the print quality has improved. Tip 2. The second tip will work for both ink cartridges with the built-in printhead and printheads integrated into the printer. Before we begin, you will need a dry paper towel that has been folded into quarters, a plastic tub, distilled warm water, rubber gloves, and isopropyl alcohol. Note that for printheads integrated into the printer, you will need to remove all the ink cartridges first before you can remove the printhead from the printer. Step 1. Wearing your rubber gloves, fill the plastic tub about ½ an inch deep with a 50-50 mixture of isopropyl alcohol and distilled warm water, just enough to soak the printheads. Step 2. For printheads integrated into the printer, make sure to remove all ink cartridges before we begin. Once the ink cartridges are out, soak the printhead into the solution for 2 minutes. For cartridges with a built-in printhead, you can soak the printhead part directly into the mixture and let it sit for 2 minutes. Step 3. For the printheads integrated into the printer, dab it onto the dry paper towel until it's completely dry. For cartridges with a built-in printhead, slide the ink cartridge gently from the top of the dry paper towel to the bottom. Do this several times until you see clear bars of color. Step 4. For printheads integrated into the printer, assemble it back into the printer and reinstall the ink cartridges. Step 5. Print a test page to see if the print quality has improved. If you're still experiencing broken lines, streaks, smears, or missing colors, immerse the printheads for longer periods of time, up to overnight depending on the outcome of your test page. We hope we were able to help you with our video. To avoid this issue in the future, make sure to print something at least once a week. We'd love to hear your feedback. Feel free to leave comments or questions below. For more helpful printing tips, leave us a like, hit that notification bell, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.